Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra all front to bold. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you are looking for how to change your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra front style to bold front. So in order to do that, it's very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you need to click here display. After click over display, you scroll down and you will find there's something say font size and style. From here, if you decide to make your phone font style to bold font, you can simply turn this on and immediately your phone, all the font styles going to appear bold. Now you can see everywhere if I go, all my font styles going to appear bold. If you decide to turn this off, you can go again here settings section, click here display and click here font style and size. You can simply turn this off. So in this simple way you can easily change font style to bold in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.